Hello everyone. I have an addiction of drinking fizzy drinks. I do drink them a lot. It's almost 24 hours now and I haven't had any fizzy drink whatsoever. Hello everyone. No fizzy drink for me today. Today I have completed 5 weeks of having no fizzy drinks. Hello everyone. No fizzy drink for me today. Today I have completed 50 days of having no fizzy drinks. I started having fizzy drinks at a very young age of 5-6 years. And since then, I have been having fizzy drinks continuously. I have 2 to 3 cans a day, but that went for continuously 35 years or something. So that totals up a lot of fizzy drinks. Because I was addicted, I was drinking it everywhere, whether weddings or shops or parties or even at my house. So before, my parents were supportive in the sense before they did not realize that it's becoming an addiction, but then slowly they started realizing that it's bad, like I'm having too many fizzy drinks. So then it started getting a bit serious. So I thought if I don't stop, then it will be detrimental to my health in the future. So I thought I have to do something about it and stop my addiction. I remember 9 years ago, I haven't had a fizzy drink for 45 days straight. So I do have that target in mind, which I have to beat, but I'm starting with the small targets. So I have done 1 week without fizzy drinks recently. The next one will be 2 weeks, but I still have the big target in mind. Trying to quit fizzy drinks since so long and I haven't been able to do so. So then I thought, what if I make myself more accountable to people? So that's why I turned to TikTok. I thought if I start putting videos every day and I try to be honest with them and accountable with them, so then I will stop drinking. And every video I post, I will say, I haven't drank fizzy drinks today. I haven't drank fizzy drink today. And that streak will continue. Started drinking a lot of water now, so which is a great substitute. Water is the healthiest drink, and apart from that, I have lemon in water. My face has reduced a bit, my stomach has gone in a bit, my sleep has increased in the night as well. So these are definitely positive changes which I have seen since I started this journey. People comment about me saying, good work, we are supporting you, continue. Apart from that, many people have made memes. Memes are like the videos which are related to my videos. They have done few memes and they have taken my voice from TikTok and made few videos as well. Yeah, people might have different type of addictions. So my basic tip is what I did is I tried to see in future that if I continue this addiction, what will happen. So I suggest people to think about what if they start continuing that addiction, what harm it can bring, and then believe in themselves and start their journey as soon as possible, whatever the journey is, because the earlier they will start, the better it will be. Hello everyone, no fizzy drink for me today. Overall, no fizzy drink in 55 days. Thank you very much.